study. This is our course, syllabus. Linkage estimation, crossing over mechanism and chromosome mapping, right? So if you are talking about the genes are present over chromosome, right? And if you are talking about the single chromosome, okay, so single chromosome, this is a DNA. Chromosome looks like this. They have the centromere and the chromosome looks like this. So they bear various genes. They have various genes. Okay. For example, E. coli bacteria have 4200 genes. E. coli bacteria have 4200 genes. Zebrafish 5000 genes. Human being 40,000 genes. Okay. So what is a linked gene? So genes that are close together. Genes that are close together. Right? Genes that are close together. So they are having more chances of linkage. This is the closed genes. Closed, very close, very near to each other. So they have more chances of linkage. Linkage possibility higher. So if you can see, genes are far away from each other. Genes are far away from each other. Okay. So they will show they have less chance of linkage. This is clear or not? So gene present at same locus have more chance of linkage. And if they are linked gene, they are called as the gene A and B. Both have linkage, then they will be called as the linked gene. Right? Called as a linked gene. Okay. So they have more chances to pass from one generation to next. One generation to next. Okay. So this is called as the linkage. So they are not going to segregate. But if the genes are very far away from each other, no linkage, and they will segregate. Right? They will segregate. They cannot undergo no recombination. No recombination. Right? So what we can say is the linkage is defined as tendency of gene to remain together during the process of inheritance. Right? Tendency of gene to remain together during process of inheritance. When two loci are linked genetically on the same chromosome, they did not segregate. So extent of linkage, closer the gene, stronger the linkage, right? And vice versa. So linkage of gene shows the order of the chromosome. So genes that show linkage are located on the same chromosome, right? For example, gene A, gene B. They have greater chances of linkage together. They have greater chances of linkage together. Clear? So a linkage group is formed by all the linked genes in a chromosome. For example, gene AB, gene small ab. So this is the one linkage, right? Small ab is second linkage. Okay, so both have chance to move together, or they can form separate group. They can form separate linkage group. Yes. So strength of linkage between two genes is directly proportional to distance. Right? So strength directly proportional to distance. So what is the type of linkage? There is a complete linkage. Okay? What is the complete linkage? When two or more genes remain together on same chromosome. This is the chromosome, gene A, gene B, and the same group inherited together, and they are moving together the next generation. This is called as the complete linkage. Okay, clear? Complete linkage. So there must be no accidental breakage. So then complete linkage. What is the incomplete linkage? So when linked genes tend to separate on occasion during the course of inheritance. So when the gene, suppose AB are linked, but during the next generation, this is going to separate. This is called as incomplete linkage. Incomplete linkage. So this is occurred during the crossing over. This is going to occur during the crossing over. Okay, crossing over during gametogenesis. Okay. So the gene present on the homologous part of sex chromosome exhibit the phenomenon of incomplete linkage. Gene present on the homologous part of sex chromosome exhibit the phenomenon of incomplete linkage. Okay, so autosomal and sex linkage. What is the autosomal linkage? The linked genes are present on autosome. Linked gene, if the chances, there is a chance that there must be any gene, especially autosome. We know that there are two types of chromosomes. One is the sex chromosome, and other is autosome. So, if the linked genes are present on autosome, this is called as a autosomal linkage. Autosomal linkage. What is the sex linkage? Sex linkage, linked gene present on the sex chromosome is called as sex linkage. So linkage group in fish detected by the scientist Wing, right? Wing in 1923, and they observed that there are two genes, XBI and ZEL gene, in the guppy fish. They are linked on the X chromosome. So on the both genes may cross over to the Y chromosome. It is assumed that they are located only on X chromosome. And what is the crossing over? The physical exchange of part of non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome following synapses and meiosis is known as crossing over. Right? So physical exchange. What is the crossing over? Physical exchange of non-sister chromatid. Exchange of non-sister chromatids. This is called as crossing over. This is called as crossing over. Exchange of non-sister dot is called as the crossing over. Alright? So if crossing over is there, then recombination will be there. Right? If crossing over, then it results in the recombination of gene. Without crossing over, recombination is not possible. There are 1 to 2 more fragments that may be interchanged during the crossing over. For example, chromosome A, chromosome B. You can see the gene small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I. And if there is a crossing over, then what will happen? This portion will come below and HI portion, capital HI portion will go above. And this is the point of crossing over. Right? This is called the chiasma. Right? So, after that, they separate and some portion has lower alphabets on the chromosome. Right? And other half of the chromosome, same chromosome has capital alphabets. Okay? So, this is the capital alphabets, this is small. So, frequency of crossing over of a given pair of gene is not constant. Right? Crossing over frequency are higher in female sex than in males. These are the points you have to remember. Okay? So, frequency of crossing over of a given pair of gene is not constant. Crossing over frequency are higher in female sex than in males. Okay? Temperature, nutrition, sex, age, its influence, crossing over is part of mechanism during gametogenesis. कब होता है? This is going to happen during the gametogenesis. And because of recombination, you can see that there are lots of variation that leads to evolution through natural selection. So what is the single crossing over? Single crossing over, only one chromatid of each chromosome is involved in single crossing over. Only one chromatid of each chromosome is involved in single crossing over. Single crossing over is of most frequent order. There is also double crossing over. Both the chiasmata may be between the same chromatids or between different chromatids. Okay. So 2 or 3 of all the 4 chromatids of homologous pair of chromosomes are involved in the process of double crossing. What is the single crossover? This is what? Tell me. Single crossover. But if there is another chromosome like this, they are also going for crossing over at this place. This is one crossing over, this is second crossing over. This is second crossing over. This is called as the double cross over. So 2 or 3 are all 4 chromatids of homologous pair. This is what? Homologous pairs of chromatids involved in the process of double crossing. The double crossing gametes are produced. This is a less of it. Now what is this example? This is example of this example of double cross over. Right? And how many chromatids are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the chromatids have a centromere. Right? And this is the point of crossing over site. Crossing over site, crossing over site. Double cross over. Okay, double cross over. 2 points are there. Here is 1 point, here is another point. So this is called the double cross over. Okay, multiple crossover, more than 2 chiasmata are formed. How many chiasmata? More than 2. Okay. Corresponding to the number of chiasmata formed, it is called as triple or quadruple and so on. Multiple crossing over does not occur frequently. Right? Significance provides direct evidence of linear arrangement of gene on the chromosome. And based on that, you can prepare chromosomal map. Now we will study what is the mapping of the chromosome mapping. So chromosome mapping, there is a scientist, Stuart Bent, in 1913 constructed first chromosome map. Who constructed first chromosome map? Stuart Bent, right? Showing the position of gene. So what you can see on the chromosome map, position of gene on the expansion. The genetic map of chromosome are known as chromosomal map. Genetic map of chromosome known as chromosomal map. Okay, chromosomal map. Gene mapping, refer to the analysis of Doshi and the genome, revealing the linear order of different genes on the chromosome. There are two types of gene map, physical map and genetic map. How many types of map are there? The gene map are of two types, physical and genetic. Physical map and genetic map. So what you can see? You can analyze the position of gene. Position of gene is called as loci. So this is the linear chromosome. You can see some chromosome is at 9 positions, some 13, some 21, some 25, 26, 31. So many genes are there. What is the physical map? Based on the assignment of loci to the chromosome, you can see there are various types of physical maps. Physical maps always form bands. If this is the chromosome, suppose this is chromatid, this is the chromosome, right? So physical map is presented in the form of bands. Okay. So if they are showing the bands, this is called as physical map. They are called as a physical map. Physical map accomplished by somatic cell hybrid panel, in situ hybridization, comparative mapping. Somatic cell hybrid panels, in situ hybridization, comparative panels. In physical map, the physical map coordinate the chromosome region of the band. So distance between two loci are measured in kilobases. So it is clear, students. What is the gene mapping? Gene mapping are of two types: physical map, genetic map. Chromosome mapping was first observed by Stuart Bent. Right? What is the significance? They can give you the order of the gene, location of the gene. Okay. So how many types of gene map? Two types, physical, genetic. Physical map, they are presented by the bands, and the distance between two loci is measured in kilobase pairs. What is the genetic map? Genetic map is prepared by studying the meiotic recombination. Meiotic recombination between two or more loci through linkage analysis. How do you form the genetic map? Genetic map means you will calculate percent recombination, right? So this is called as the linkage analysis. This is called as linkage analysis. Okay. So what is the benefit of genetic map? They provide order array or sequence tag site along the chromosome. So what is the genetic distance? Hello? Hello?